Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Fatima Abbas. Let's start with tip number 1. Now let's suppose I want to place some object in the same position at some other artboard. Then what can we do? Alt plus drag will not do the job as it's quite time taking and is not accurate as well. So what we can do is simply press Ctrl plus C, select the artboard where you want to paste and Ctrl plus F. You can do the same with multiple objects like 0 to 1 and page number 1 and simply select the artboard, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus F. You can also do this on the same artboard. Simply Ctrl plus X to cut it and Ctrl plus F to paste it in the same position. Now let's move to the tip number 2. Now let's suppose I want to remove these extra parts. What I'm gonna do is select both, select the shape builder tool or simply press Shift plus M, hold down the Alt key and click on the part which you want to remove. Now let's see it in another application. Now let's suppose I want to draw a moon. So I will simply draw 2 circles. I will select both and I will again select the shape builder tool, hold down the Alt key and simply click to remove the extra parts. Now comes the tip number 3. Now let's suppose I want to erase this floor or whatever it is in a straight path. So what can I do is simply select the eraser tool, hold down the Alt key and drag and it will erase it in a straight line. Tip number 4. Now let's suppose I want to align this tip number 3 with respect to the line below it. So I will select both, click again on the line and simply click on here and it will be aligned. Now let's say I want to align it with respect to this square. So again select both, click again on the object with which you want to align and choose whatever alignment you want from the top bar and it will be aligned. Now comes the tip number 5. Now let's suppose I want to curve this anchor down. So what can I do is simply select A or the anchor tool and click on the anchor point you want to curve and drag. And if you want to curve all these anchors, then select them all and drag. Last but not the least, bonus step. Now I have these much elements and I want to select all the pink circles. So how to do it in the easy way? Select this magic wand tool and select color you want to pick. And it will automatically select all the shapes with the same color and you can change the color, you can delete them or you can move them. If you liked this tutorial, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.